Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to check whether Vita Mahjong supports real money withdrawals. So first, open the official Vita Mahjong app and sign in. Then go to your profile, wallet, rewards or account section and look for a withdrawal option. If the app supports real money withdrawals in your region, then you'll normally see the available requirements and payments method there. Then check whether you need to reach a minimum balance before you can request a withdrawal. You may also need to complete account verification, and before submitting anything, carefully review the withdrawal terms, fees, processing times, and eligibility requirements. If your version of Vita Mahjong doesn't show an official withdrawal feature, then don't enter your information into a third-party website claiming to cash out your coins, because those services may be scams. So that was how to check for a legitimate real money withdrawal option in Vita Mahjong. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.